Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. Today we'll give you a review on Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is your gateway to seamless crypto management. Trust Wallet is a non-custodial cryptocurrency wallet that enables users to store, manage, and interact with a vast array of digital assets. Acquired by Binance in 2018, it serves as the exchange official decentralized wallet. One of its key features is asset support. Trust Wallet accommodates over 100 blockchains and more than 10 million assets, including major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, as well as numerous ERC20 tokens. The wallet is designed for simplicity, making it accessible to both beginners and experienced users. It offers mobile applications for iOS and Android, along with a browser extension that supports Ethereum, Solana, and EVM chains like BNB, Avalanche, and Polygon. In terms of security, Trust Wallet allows users to maintain control over their private keys as it is a non-custodial wallet. While it doesn't provide two-factor authentication or multi-signature support, it offers security measures such as Face ID and Touch ID for app access. Beyond storage, Trust Wallet enables users to buy, sell, swap, and stake currencies. It also supports non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and includes a decentralized application browser for interacting with decentralized finance platforms. Trust Wallet has several pros, including support for a wide variety of cryptocurrencies and tokens, a user-friendly interface suitable for beginners, integration with Binance for seamless trading, and the inclusion of staking and de-app browsing capabilities. However, there are some cons to consider. It lacks two-factor authentication and multi-signature features, and as a hot wallet, it remains connected to the internet, which may present security risks compared to cold storage options. Additionally, customer support is limited, primarily available through email tickets. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.